What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to this video in which we're going to be covering the graph or the GRT token, which I haven't covered in a while. It's one of my favorite projects. As you can see, it's on my watch list. Apart from that, I know quite a lot of you from the Cilinix Crypto community hold it, so I still thought it would be valuable to actually take a look at it. Yeah, as I said, there's not a lot going on. It's quite bullish today. It's up 7%. Volume is just steady. It's at 130 million, 17% of the market cap. That's good, all right. But apart from that, there's not a lot going on. I do think it's a great project. I've covered it. I think I did a video on my crypto watch list about two months or 1.5 months ago. There I covered it. I really do believe in the project, and I don't hold it. It's just on my watch list. But those are the main reasons why I wanted to cover it. So let's just get right into it. I do have to say that analyzing GRT for me was pretty difficult at this point of time. All right, there's the last couple of candles especially weren't that clear to me. It seems to me that we have had some sort of a bullish breakout, but I'm not 100% certain on that. So I've tried to do my best in this analysis, but let's just see how it goes. All right, this is just to be honest with you, and I think you deserve that. This is not my best analysis. I still think it's correct. I mean, otherwise I wouldn't upload this video. But there's just quite some room for error. So the main bullish breakout we had is out of this small, very small key area right here. All right, so as you can see, we actually did break above that, but then we found support all the way at the bottom of that key area. That's why I wasn't that sure about it. But as you could also see from the lines I drew earlier, I do expect us to at least get up to our next price target or our next resistance level, which would be right here between 11.75 and 11.5. All right, so 11.5 cents or 11.75 cents. That's the lower bound of this big resistance level above us. We got that 50 EMA there, which is the red line. That has proven to be very strong over the last months. We got the 382 FIB there, one of my favorite FIBs, also talked about in the video I did yesterday on trading education. So I do think this bullish breakout is valid, and I think this resistance level is very strong. So I think we're moving up there, and then we'll find resistance off of there, and then I think we'll drop down to 11 cents again. And there it gets a little bit difficult for me because I think we'll actually stay on top of 11 cents. But then I think we will really depend on the market circumstances. All right, so if Bitcoin actually goes up to, for example, 22,000 or 22,500, then I think the graph could actually get all the way up to 12 and 12.5 cents. So that we break above 11.5 cents, which I thought was a pretty strong resistance level. But if we actually get enough bullish momentum throughout the whole market, I think we can get a little bit higher. But if the market, so if Bitcoin drops down to 20,000, for example, which would be a significant drop from where we are right now, then I don't think we'll break that. And I think we're just dropping down all the way to 10 cents again. All right, and then afterwards, if Bitcoin drops down to 19,000, I think we're dropping all the way to 9 cents with the graph. So there's quite a lot at stake, and I just don't have a bias on whether I think this is the most likely scenario or this is the most likely scenario. And that's the difficult part about the analysis, because I always like to have a bias, all right? Because this like the initial part is a prediction, but then it's just fully analysis. And I always like to make a prediction. I think that's valuable. But yeah, we have to do it with it. I'm not going to make a prediction. I do not stand behind. So that's my analysis on the graph for now. If you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.